Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my PLR Kids video review. Audiobooks on Kindle and Audible using private label rights, done for you content. This business plan is so simple that even people who don't like computers can run it blindfolded while enjoying a cup of coffee. And you don't have to be a writer, voice actor, storyteller, or graphic designer. To put it simply, if you have a computer with internet and you're using it to read this webpage, then you already have everything you need to earn money without working too hard. Low startup costs. You do not need a lot of money to start. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. No big investments, no inventory worries, since eBooks and audiobooks are digital. You do not need to worry about storing or shipping physical books. It is all online, worldwide customers. Your ebooks and audiobooks can be sold to people all over the world. That's a lot of potential customers, money while you sleep. Once your ebooks and audiobooks are up for sale, they can make money for you 24/7. You can earn even while you're sleeping. You're the boss. You get to decide what to publish, how to design it, and how much to sell it for. You're in control, easy to sell. There are lots of online platforms like Amazon and Audible where you can easily publish and sell your ebooks and audiobooks. High demand. More and more people are choosing to read ebooks and listen to audiobooks. The market is growing fast, big profits, without printing or shipping costs. You can keep a big chunk of the sales as profit. More money in your pocket, updates are a breeze. Need to change something in your ebook or audiobook? No problem, you can update it easily without having to reprint anything. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.